Good afternoon. Welcome to the Decision Support System lecture. Today we will see the in last lecture we discussed about pressure response model, and in that we see in the resources are considered to be input and the attaining goal is viewed as a output. We discussed this point in previous lecture. This is of pressure response model. Okay, now it will be visible to you. Is this presentation visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now we will see managerial decision making. The nature of manager's work. This table is given in next slide. In that table, there are three rows: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. And there are types of control: operational control, managerial control, and strategic control. These structure, semi-structure, and unstructured, these are the types of business. Some of the business are structured, means they are based on some algorithm, they are based on some technology. Some are unstructured and some are the semi-structured. We will see that in next some slide. But now you see the managers perform 10 majors role classified into three categories. We will see the 10 major roles of manager to make a perfect decision, to make a good decision. You have to keep in mind, because you will work as a manager in some industry. Therefore, you have to concentrate on this role of manager. Interpersonal role, then informational and decisional. There are three categories. To execute these roles, manager needs information that is delivered efficiently and timely by computers. Interpersonal, informational, and decisional information. If want to change fast, if manager work good, then he should be use computer to deliver the information, to make perfect communication within a time. Manager is a decision maker, because manager is a decision maker in any organization. Organization gives power to the manager to do some good changes, good decision in organization. Organization are filled with decision makers at different level. You know, there are various organization, very big organization, and in the organization there are various level of managers: production manager, quality manager, uh, HR manager, like that. They have their own area to make some good decision, and they can able to take a good decision by using the software support, by using the technology supports. The process of decision making. Lately, the manager considered decision making as a talent acquired over a long period of time through experience. Manager take decision according to their experience. They have managers. All the managers have a good experience. On the basis of that experience, they can take a good decision. If we give the technology to him to take decision, then that will be very excellent decision. Managers usually make decision by following four steps. These four steps. Defining the problem. First, manager take decision on the basis of defining the problem. What is actual problem in the current workplace? Decision a decision situation that may deal with some difficulty or with an opportunity. What happened? What is the problem? Problem is that there are some opportunities or the difficulties. If there is difficulties, then there is the opportunity. Constructing a model that describe the real world problem. Manager always should be construct a model that model will work for solve the real world problem. Then identify the possible solution to the model problem and evaluate the solution. Identify the solution to the model problem and evaluate the solution. Is that solution is proper or not? How much errors are there after giving solution by us to the organization by using our own model? Comparing, choosing, and recommending a potential solution to the problem. We have to compare the solution of a problem before run that model and after run that model. Suppose we have taken new model in organization. Suppose we made some changes. One our team leader we change from one position and we have given him other work. Instead of that, uh, we have given the other team leader in that model. After after changing this, after modifying this uh, model, what is the output of that particular model? We will compare with a previous output and choosing, and we will choose which is the better. Previous one was better or this current model is better. We will choose one which is good, and after getting the good output from the second model which we have made changes, then we recommending a potential solution to the problem. We will recommend that model to the our company or owner or the chairman. If we make such type of changes in our business, then our business will be grow. Such type of solution we will provide to the chairman, and after that we will apply to all our company that model. These are the some steps, these are the some stages through that manager can take well decision, which are that defining problem, then constructing model, then identifying the possible solutions, and after that solutions we will apply that and compare the results output with a previous result. Okay, is there any problem?
No, sir.
There are 4 steps to take good decision: defining problem first, then constructing model, and then identifying possible solution, and after that comparing the result with previous result. One must make sure that efficient alternative solutions are being considered, that the consequences using these alternative can be predicted. The environment factor make the evaluation process difficult. Sometimes what happen, there are various parameter to make a business success. Means government resolutions are there, customer needs are there, again some collaboration, vendors collaborations are there. All these factors can make the difficult situation, so that technology and globalization result in more alternatives. Uncertainty produced from government policies, competitions, and changing consumer demand make prediction difficult. Suppose we said we will launch new electrical car of our company Toyota. Suppose we are the manager in Toyota company and we will launch one electrical car. How much car will be sell? That's depends upon the customer demand as well as government resolution. What are the parameters to launch the electrical car in the city of government? We also should be consider that parameters. We also consider that we have to consider need for making rapid decision, and also there is need to take the rapid decision. Suddenly we have to take decision. Now there is this pandemic. In this pandemic, there are some restriction. By four wheeler, by car, only the three passenger can travel. Uh, five seater car. Such type of resolutions are there. So the demand may be increase of car. Everyone's need car to travel, separate car to travel, because in sharing travel person will not travel now because there is the virus problem, there is some government resolution, so that in such a case there is possibility customer can demand the electrical car. Okay, everyone needs a car, but we don't have money, customer don't have money. So we have to care about the customer, we have to take care about customer. Based on above four reasons, it is nearly impossible to rely on real on trial and error approach to management. Because of these four parameter, it is impossible to approach management. Manager must use new tool and technique for decision making. यहाँ पे मैनेजर को क्या करना है, डिसीजन लेने के लिए न्यू टेक्निक और टूल्स सर्च करना है. बिकॉज there are various complexity, government resolution, customer demands, environment factors, and again the company pressure. We want to produce very fast production, very fast new car we want to launch in the market. These are the problems. So that manager needs a tool and technique, manager needs a software. Therefore we are studying this subject in our class. Why? We will provide the tools, we will design such type of tools so that customer as well as manager can take help to make the decision proper. Technology insights, making clear cut decision when needed, it is the most important 10 managerial practices. 10 managerial practices we will see. The decision support system, a conceptual framework for a process of supporting managerial decision making, usually by modeling problems and employing quantitative model for solution analysis. We will design first conceptual framework, not actually we will design a virtual framework. We will write the problem on paper and then We will put it in a software in the form of a code, and that code we will run, and that will become one of the solution, one of the tool to make the solution, proper solution to the problem. Computerized support are now penetrating complex managerial area. You know, there are various problem in the all business, in all organizations. Nowadays, we are also supporting in the area of hospital, in the area of a medical field. We can also providing our softwares to do a complex operations. We can also provide our softwares, our technology to launch the rocket, to launch the satellite. You know, in last year there were India launched one Vikram lander on the moon, hmm? Chandrayaan 2. I think the name was Chandrayaan 2. In that, the computer technology is used. That is not a simple task, that is complex task. So, though the task is complex, we can solve that by providing the computerized support. Now, this computerized support is penetrating in complex managerial area like design, like management of automated factories, application of AI methods, and evaluation process. Such type of solution we are providing to design the car. You know, there is there all the sale of a car depends upon the design of car, look of car. So to design a good quality, good looking design, we need a software support. We will provide the software support to the designer, so that designer will able to design very novel type of a car, very attractive type of a car. To make attractive design of car, we have to use the tools. There are several tools, automated, several tools are there in computer field. Just manager need to use that. Management of automated factories means there are several functions in the company that are continuous in nature. To make that continuous task automatic, we can we can use the computer, we can use technology, like washing car, like doing color to the car. We can give the color to car by using robot. In robot there is the software, means a computerized support. By giving such type of robotic technology to the company, we can give the color to car. We can also wash, we can also clean that car with the help of a robot. We can also make the packing of car with the help of robotic technology. This is also part of the technology of decision support. With the help of AI, artificial intelligence application, with the help of artificial intelligence method, means how much color we have to give to the car, that's that is automated, that should be automated. On the basis of artificial intelligence we can able to do that. We will able to do, give the color particular amount to the car. Then evaluation process, on the basis of artificial intelligence we can evaluate the quality of color, we can evaluate the quantity of cars, how much cars will be developed in one day, in 1 month, 1 year. We can also evaluate the customer's view about that car, how much customer will buy our new car. We can also evaluate how much money will be generated, how much manpower will be required there, how much electricity, how much accessories will be needed to us with the help of artificial intelligence method. This artificial intelligence we can use in our software to make our software effective. Computer application have moved from transaction processing and monitoring attractive to problem analysis and solving the solution applications. Most of the activities are done with the web-based technology. Now you know in previous some year the computer is used only for the calculation purpose like tally software was there. Also in banking there are softwares, there are computers. People are working on the computer in bank sector, in account section and similar. Okay, but nowadays what is happening, we are providing solution through the web pages, through the web based technology like mobile phone. From mobile phone we can provide the solution to the problem. Okay, not only for accounting purpose but also we can track the vehicle through the camera. We are using the IoT, Internet of Things. Internet of Things means connecting devices to the internet. Suppose in one garage there is one camera fitted, and from that camera we can see the pictures of garage on our mobile phone with the help of web-based technology. To solve such type of problem we are using the computer. Not only monitoring the accounting problem, we moved from office to out of the office with technology. Through the technology we can solve the problem which is manually we cannot solve, like in remote places we cannot reach, but our computer, our drone technology, we can send there to analyze the problem. Suppose there is the flood in river and we want to go from the other bank, other side of the rivers, then manually we will not able to reach there, but through the technology we can find. Suppose we send one drone with camera, we can able to capture the images and we will able to make the analysis of that. Such type of technology we can use to make the good decision with the help of artificial intelligence. Then following are the cornerstone of today's modern management for decision support. Business intelligence tool. First one is the business intelligence tool, then data warehousing, data mining, online analytical processing, dashboard, and the web. These are the cornerstone of the business to decision support. Business intelligence tools means software, mobile phone, hardware, computer, all are the business intelligence tools. Okay, data warehousing. Data warehousing means we have to store our data properly in computer, in websites, and through the dashboard we can able to view that data. Do you know dashboard? Dashboard means menu. Dashboard means menu. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Dashboard means menu. Used in the Flipkart website. used in the Amazon's website. There are all these are menus, means menus are stored in the dashboard. After clicking on that menu, we we should be able to view which product we want. Okay, suppose we want to buy the mobile phone, then we have to view this mobile phone from this side, from this side, from this side also, and from this side also. All all the dimensions of this mobile should be visible to the customer. When it will be visible, if we store the images of this mobile phone into the data warehouse, in storage of online storage of online product. There is not actual mobile phone available on the web page, but the image of this phone is stored there, so customer will be able to view that. Okay, then data mining. Data mining means searching the essential information. Customer will search the dimension of this mobile phone through the Google search engine in his mobile phone. Then after searching the dimension, our mobile should got to him. अपना जो मोबाइल फोन है, अपनी कंपनी का जो मोबाइल फोन है, अपनी कंपनी की जो कार है, वो कस्टमर को दिखना चाहिए. He should able to got our प्रोडक्ट. मार्केट में बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट है, वो गूगल में सर्च करेगा. गूगल में सर्च करेगा कि कम से कम प्राइस वाला मोबाइल कौन सा है. ये अगर कीवर्ड उसने डाल दिया तो अपना मोबाइल भी उसको दिखना चाहिए. उसके लिए वी हैव टू यूज द डेटा माइनिंग टेक्निक. डेटा माइनिंग जो है वो अपन को यूज करना है. ये डेटा वेयर हाउसिंग में बहुत सारे कंपनी के प्रोडक्ट होंगे, बट our product should be visible to customer, our car should be visible to customer, so that we have to use the data mining technology, data mining techniques. Then next one is the online analytical processing. Customer should able to analysis online. कस्टमर को उसने अगर प्राइस डाल दी, सपोज we should ask क्वेश्चन टू कस्टमर थ्रू द वेब. वेब से अपन को क्वेश्चन पूछना है कस्टमर को, which color of car you need, which price of car you need, and such type of car should get to the customer. अगर आप फ्लिपकार्ट या अमेजोन यूज करते हैं तो वहाँ पे राइट साइड में अमेजोन में दिया वाला रहता है कि आपको मोबाइल अगर परचेस करना है तो किस प्राइस के रेंज में परचेस करना है, 8,000 टू 12,000. उसके नीचे आता है कलर, उसके नीचे आता है प्रोसेसर का टाइप, उसके नीचे आता है साइज ऑफ मोबाइल फोन. सिमिलरली ये पूरे फील्ड, ये जो फील्ड है वो क्या है, फिल्टर्स है. वो फिल्टर्स क्यों लगा दिए हैं वहाँ पे, कस्टमर को जो मोबाइल फ़ोन चाहिए, कस्टमर को जो प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, वही प्रोडक्ट उसको मिलना चाहिए. उसलिए वहाँ पे क्या यूज़ किया है, फिल्टर्स यूज़ किए हैं. वो क्या फिल्टर्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ऑनलाइन एनालिटिकल प्रोसेसिंग, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, ओलैप. ऑनलाइन एनालिटिकल प्रोसेसिंग. आपने अगर 3 फिल्टर सिलेक्ट कर दिए तो इंटरनेट से उस टाइप का जो मॉडल है, उस टाइप की जो कार है, उस टाइप का जो प्रोडक्ट है, दैट विल गेट टू द कस्टमर. ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
OLAP, data mining, data warehouse, and then dashboard. Dashboard I already said to you, कस्टमर को वो जो प्रोडक्ट है प्रॉपरली दिखना चाहिए, उसकी प्राइस है वो भी दिखना चाहिए. ऑल the information features about that product, about that phone, that should be visible. मोबाइल का तो इजी है, मोबाइल जो है डैशबोर्ड में दिखाना इट इज़ इजी, बट शोविंग कार इट इज़ समवट डिफिकल्ट. कार के जो इंटीरियर है, अंदर की जो साइड है, वो भी दिखना चाहिए कस्टमर को. सो दैट डैशबोर्ड इज we need a good quality of dashboard. We have to design good quality of dashboard so that customer can able to see the interior of car. उसके जो डोर है वो ओपन करने के बाद कार कैसी दिखती है, लाइट लगाने के बाद कार कैसी दिखती है, पीछे की जो सीट है कार की वहाँ की स्पेस कितनी है और कैसी दिखती है, दैट शुड बी visible so that we have to put that in the dashboard. Dashboard should be connected to the data warehouse properly. And this OLAP is for the customer as well as for the manager. Manager also analyze that how much customers are there, they are searching our model, how much customers are there, they want low price of cars, how much customers are there, they want red color of car. That all analysis can get through OLAP to the manager. Manager को पूरा डिसीजन मिलेगा if we use OLAP in a company, online analytical processing. Then web तो आपको सबको पता है. Web means web based software. There are different type of software: system software, application software. Okay, in application software, standalone software and web based software. Standalone software means a software which is run only on one computer, and web based software means that is connected to the server. Client server communication is there. You know, if I put one message in WhatsApp, you can see that message because that is web based. सपोज मैंने एक कैलकुलेशन कर दिया, आपने मुझे बता दिया 14 इंटू 2 कितना होता है, मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा आपको, तो इफ यू मेड कैलकुलेशन ऑन योर फोन, that will not visible to me, that will not be visible to other because that is the stand alone application. वो जो है सिर्फ आपके ही मोबाइल में है, दूसरे के मोबाइल में है, वो दूसरा सॉफ्टवेयर, दैट इज नॉट कनेक्टेड टू द वेब, that is not web based software. So web based application should be there so that customer can connect to the company and company will know the market needs, company will know the demand of customer. Also company will connect to the vendors, accessory suppliers. Vendors means the accessory suppliers. Someone send tire to company, someone send the color to company, someone send the glasses to the company, hands. All these are the accessories. All there is the collaboration with one company to other company to make the cars. Is there any problem from 1 to 6? Kunal?
No, sir.
Prachi? डैशबोर्ड?
नो सर.
ओके, है ना सभी? नम्रता है क्या?
यस सर.
ये समझ में आ गया आपको?
यस सर.
Okay. Dashboard is a term now being used generally to refers to the web-based technology page on which real-time information is collected from various resources in the business. The metaphor of dashboard is adopted here to emphasize the nature of the data being displayed on the page. It is real-time analysis as to how business is operating, just like on the automobile. It is adopted here to emphasize the nature of the data being displayed on the page. It is real-time analysis as to how a business is operating, just like on automobile. Real-time information is displayed about the uh, performance about the vehicle. डैशबोर्ड आपको समझ में आ गया है? रियल टाइम जो व्यू है, कार अगर शोरूम में भी है तो उसका जो व्यू है वो कैसा दिखेगा इंटरनेट से, द इमेजेस, द प्रोटोटाइप मॉडल of the car should be designed and that should be put on the web. Then why use computerized decision support system? कंप्यूटराइज डिसीजन सपोर्ट सिस्टम अपन को क्यों यूज करना है? व्हाई इट इज नीडेड? स्पीडी कंप्यूटेशन, स्पीडली आप कुछ भी टास्क जो है वो सडन कर सकते हैं, बहुत जल्दी कर सकते हैं, इसलिए आपको कंप्यूटराइज डिसीजन सपोर्ट सिस्टम इज नीडेड. इनेबल डिसीजन मेकर टू परफॉर्म क्विक कंप्यूटेशन, हाउ low cost, timely and thousands of alternative can be evaluated fast. आप कंप्यूटर के हेल्प से, टेक्नोलॉजी के हेल्प से गूगल में जाके लोवेस्ट कार आप मोबाइल फ़ोन में सर्च कर सकते, आपको थाउजेंड्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन विल गेट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कंप्यूटराइज सपोर्ट सिस्टम. तो मोबाइल जो है उसको भी कंप्यूटर ही बोलते हैं, कंप्यूटेशनल डिवाइस, बिकॉज दिस इज कंप्यूटेशनल डिवाइस. देर आर सम calculation take place inside the software, and on the basis of that calculation mobile gives you the solution. It connect to web and search your information and provide you the information which got very quickly and speedily. Thousands of alternatives you will get. Improve the communication and collaboration. Group in different location can use the web-based tool to communicate. कम्युनिकेशन इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, कम्युनिकेशन इम्प्रूव मीन्स आपको जो मुझे बताना है वो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके पास पहुंचाने के लिए उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कम्युनिकेशन. अगर कम्युनिकेशन पुअर कब होगा? कम्युनिकेशन पुअर कब होगा? अगर यहाँ की लाइट चली गई, इंटरनेट डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया तो दैट विल बी पुअर कम्युनिकेशन. और सपोज एखादे बिजनेसमैन के पास इंटरनेट ही नहीं है या टेक्नोलॉजी सॉफ्टवेयर ही नहीं है, तो उसका बिजनेस जो है दैट बिजनेस विल नॉट बी कनेक्टेड टू द वर्ल्ड को कनेक्ट नहीं होगा, तो उसके वजह से उसको कस्टमर नहीं मिलेंगे. Improve communication and collaboration. Groups in different location can use the web-based tool to communicate. Web-based tool जो है, मोबाइल फोन है, PDA है, कैमरा है, all these tools can send the information so that information will be helpful to make a good decision. Increase productivity of group members. Using web-based tool save money and time, since group gathering in one place is no more needed. Also, software help decision maker to determine the best way to run a business in a short time. Why this computerized decision support system is needed? To increase the productivity in the group member, so that money we can save money of traveling. We will be able to take decision from remote place. There is no need to gather all person in one place to take one decision. Suppose अगर ये टोयोटा कंपनी की कार है, उसका अगर मैनेजर सपोज मुंबई में है और यहाँ पे एक कार सेल करना है, उसको एक कस्टमर आ गया, उसका जो कहना है कि थोड़ी सी प्राइस जो है वो कम करना है या डिस्काउंट में उसको कार चाहिए, तो द मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव जो कार सेल करने वाला वहाँ का जो पर्सन है, दैट विल इजीली कनेक्ट थ्रू द मोबाइल टू द मैनेजर. Easily he will connect to the manager, and manager will be give the information to him, and their feedback of manager will reach to the customer directly. Because of this technology will help there. This is the one advantage. Then why use computerized decision support system? There are 6 points. There are 10 points why we have to use computerized decision support system. You should remember this point. Why need computerized decision support system? To improve data management, data stored inside outside the organization, on web, on a computer transmits, search and store needed data quickly, economically, securely, and transparently. To send the data quickly, and that should be stored in safe place. Data should be stored in computer so that we put one query to search that data, and data should be retrieved within a second, within a time. And this tool also needed economically, means low cost. And if we provide the software technology, computerized technology to the business, there will be the transparency. There will not become any corruption. Means how much, you know, you can pay your fees through online mode. There is transparency. Your money directly reach to the college account. There is no other agent. Similarly, if we use such type of technology in all businesses, in all government offices, their transparency will be maintained. So this computerized decision support system is important. अगर आपने डेटा जो है क्लाउड पे रख दिया, क्लाउड मतलब दूसरे के सर्वर पे, you know very well one cloud, we are all using that cloud. Which one is that? आप सब जो क्लाउड यूज कर रहे हो उस क्लाउड का नाम क्या है? What is the name of cloud? Any cloud? Wagdi, do you know any cloud?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Yes.
Which one cloud you know? Google's cloud.
Okay. Okay.
You know Google Cloud very well. Google Drive. Google provide us a 15 GB free space to store our information. If we put our valuable information in Google Drive, suppose we scan our document and put it on the Google Drive, then that document will be safe. Suppose you lost your mobile phone, and in your mobile phone there were your valuable documents, and you have also stored that document on the Google Drive. Though your mobile will be lost, but you will get the document from the Google Drive. That is the secure. If you store data in computerized technology, that is securely. That is secure. And when you need it, that can access quickly. Google Drive से आप you will able to take out data within a second. Quickly you can search your information from Google Drive and download it in your computer, in your mobile phone. So computerized decision support system is needed. Managing gain data warehouse. Computer can deal stored access with huge digital data of any type quickly. Parallel computers. Managing gain data warehouse. You know, I already said to you just one car's example. We have to store our car's view, actual view, physical view into the data warehouse. How the looks of car from outside, from front side, from back side of car, from inside of car, interior of car, how it is visible. All this data we can store in the Data warehouse. We can store in data warehouse so that is huge number of data, digital format we can store in data warehouse, and that will be able to access very fast. Quickly we can access that data because of the parallel computers. Parallel computings are there, means you know this file is stored, this presentation file is stored in the Google Drive. Wagdi also is able to access this file. Prachi also is able to access this file. Kunal is also able to access this file, and Namrata is also will able to access this file. Everyone can access this file because of the parallel computing. You have your own mobile phone, through that your own mobile phone you can access, from your you can computer you can access. And who is serving this data? Data warehouse of the company. Google's data warehouse are providing us this file. Their parallel computing is used. We don't know in which computer, in which place this data is stored. There are number of computer connected parallelly to increase the speed, and also there are some artificial intelligence parallel computing techniques are used, and because of that this is very easy. We can use computerized support system and we will solve our problem. Then quality support, we will see this in next lecture. Okay, till this number of 0.5 from 1 to 5. If you have any query you can ask. Today we seen why computerized decision support is needed. In this we covered 5 points, and before that we seen the some decision support system tools why needed. If you have any query you can ask. Business intelligence, data warehouse, data mining, OLAP, dashboard, web. Do you have any query?
No,
Kunal?
sir.
Kunal,
No, sir.
Prachi,
Sir. No, sir.
Namrata,
No, sir. No, sir.
Wagdi, you came late.
No, sir. No,
You came
no,
late.
sir.
You just know this point. Hmm? You don't know business intelligence, data warehouse. We will take revision later. Okay. You try to come within a time. Wagdi, Wagdi,
Yes, sir. Yes.
you try to come within a time, hmm, so that you will get all information.
Okay.
And also I have kept recorded lecture, and I provided the link of recorded lecture to you. You have to listen that, and you can
Okay.
circulate this in our classmate, in your
Okay,
classmate.
sir.
Okay,
Okay.
so shall I stop here?
Yes, sir.
किसी का कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा तो पूछ सकते हैं. You can ask if you have any query or problem. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye. Take care, Wagdi.